2. Settings. All settings. Picture settings. In select mode, select the picture mode that is best suited to your viewing environment, preferences or video type. In aspect ratio, you can change the screen size according to the type of content you are watching. In brightness setting, you can adjust the brightness of the entire screen. In color setting, you can adjust the color of the entire screen. In clarity setting, you can adjust the contrast of a picture to show it more clearly. In reset option, if you want to reset the image settings to the factory defaults after configuring the image settings, select reset for each image mode. To auto start filmmaker mode set to on, picture mode will automatically be changed to filmmaker mode. If the reduce blue eye set to on, the color temperature will be adjusted to reduce eye fatigue.